Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how to check if someone scanned your WhatsApp QR code. It's very quick and very easy. I'm gonna show you the process to check if someone scanned your QR code through my cell phone, but this process can also be done on the WhatsApp web desktop app on your computer. The first step is to open up the WhatsApp app. After opening up your WhatsApp app on your cell phone or the WhatsApp web app on your computer, click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. You should see a drop-down menu, and now you have to click on Linked Devices. After you click on Linked Devices, you're able to see a list of all the connected devices. Here, you can check if someone scanned your QR code and is connected to your WhatsApp account. I hope I helped you on checking if someone scanned your WhatsApp QR code. If I did, please remember to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.